Hi, I'm Max Tucci, celebrity chef and lifestyle expert. Today, I'm going to show you how to use brie with apricots and almonds. It's very simple. We had a brie in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. We drizzled some honey on. We'll do it again because it's so delicious. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get some apricot preserve, and you're going to take that and just put it right on top of the brie. It's a nice presentation. We're going to get some pumpernickel toast, spread some more of that avocado preserve on it, set that aside. Cut a nice piece of that brie. It's going to be gooey because it was in the oven. Be careful, it might be a little hot. Cut it like a pizza. Put it right on top of your pumpernickel toast. Add some almonds. Add some nice, I love these, apricots. And you've got your brie with apricots and almonds. I'm Max Tucci. Thanks for watching.